If you walk into any gym in the world and yell the word creatine, half the room will think you're talking about a dangerous steroid, and the other half will try to sell you a tub of it. It is the most researched, most misunderstood, and, honestly, the most boringly effective supplement in human history. But today we're going beyond the bicep curls. We're cracking the wellness code on how this white powder actually rewires your cellular energy, protects your brain from burning out, and why 90% of the side effects you've heard about are pure, unadulterated garbage. Grab a glass of water, you're gonna need it, because we're diving deep into the molecular matrix of creatine. To understand creatine, you have to understand how you stay alive. Every cell in your body runs on a currency called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. Think of ATP as a high-capacity battery. When you do something explosive, like a heavy deadlift or sprinting away from your responsibilities, your body rips a phosphate off that battery to create energy. Now, you're left with ADP, which is basically a dead AA battery rolling around in the junk drawer of your cells. Usually, your body takes a while to recharge that battery using oxygen or sugar. But creatine is the emergency fast charger. It sits in your muscle as phosphocreatine, waiting for that battery to die so it can instantly donate a phosphate group and turn ADP back into ATP in a fraction of a second. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition confirmed that saturating your muscles with creatine can increase these energy stores by up to 40%. You aren't just getting stronger, you're literally upgrading your body's electrical grid. Now let's talk about the "I don't want to look puffy" crowd. When you start taking creatine, you might gain 3 pounds in a week. Your scale panics, you panic, your skinny jeans feel a little tight. But here's the science. Creatine is osmotically active. It pulls water into the muscle cell, not under the skin like a salty pepperoni pizza, but inside the actual muscle fibers. Osmosis in a plant cell. This is called cell volumization, and it's not just for looks. Research published in FEBS Letters shows that this internal swelling acts as a chemical signal to your body to turn on mTOR pathways. Translation: the water pressure inside your cells literally tells your DNA to start building more protein. It's an anabolic light switch triggered by hydration, so you aren't bloated, you're biochemically primed. Here is where it gets spooky. Your brain is a greedy 3-pound energy hog. It uses 20% of your body's total ATP just to keep you from forgetting your Gmail password. Studies in experimental gerontology and the Royal Society have shown that when you're sleep-deprived or stressed, your brain's ATP levels plummet. Supplementing with creatine helps maintain ATP homeostasis in your neurons. In clinical trials, vegetarians who don't get creatine from meat showed massive jumps in memory and reasoning scores after supplementing. Basically, creatine makes you a high-performance athlete from the neck up. It's a nootropic disguised as a gym supplement. Let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the bald guy in the room. Myth 1, the kidney killer. People see creatinine on a blood test and freak out. Creatinine is a byproduct of creatine. Yes, it will be higher on your blood work. No, it does not mean your kidneys are failing. It's like being surprised there's sawdust on the floor of a wood shop. Long-term studies, we're talking 5 years of continuous use, show zero negative impact on renal clearance in healthy individuals. Myth 2, the hair loss. One study, 2009, rugby players in South Africa. They had a slight rise in DHT, a hormone linked to balding. Since then, thousands of studies, and not a single one has shown hair loss as a side effect. If you're balding, blame your grandfather, not your shaker bottle. Stop giving the powder credit for your genetics, Dave. So how do you crack the code? The form. Buy creatine monohydrate, not HCl, not buffered, not liquid gold nanotech. Just the cheap white powder. It's 100% bioavailable. The dose, 3 to 5 grams a day. Every single day. Saturday, yes. Christmas, yes. Your wedding day? Put it in the champagne. The loading phase. You can take 20 grams a day for a week to saturate faster, but you'll probably spend that week sprinting to the bathroom with disaster pants. Just stick to 5 grams. You'll be fully saturated in 21 days without the stomach gymnastics. The verdict is in. Creatine is safe, it's effective, it's cheap, and it makes you a smarter. If you're ready to stop guessing and start optimizing, I've linked my top vetted, third-party tested creatine brands in the description below. Also, check out our aesthetic daily planner to track your gains and your goals. Hit that subscribe button to join the wellness code community Decoding Health so you can live it.